In today's video, we will see how to work with match function, what match function does. Match function basically returns the relative position of the value in the list. We will understand this function with the help of few examples, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. As you can see that we have some basic information of few Asian countries in the table here. Now we will use match function on this table and extract the relative position of a value we pass in the match function in these examples. So let us see how this function works. In this first example, we will type equal to match open parenthesis and the lookup value which we want to search. In our case, it is Jakarta mentioned in cell G3, comma, cell range of all capitals which is B2 till B11, comma, 0, which means the value to be searched in the range should be exact match. Close parenthesis. So we got result as 8, which means Jakarta is present in the 8th row in the range of cells we provided to the function. Let us look at the next example where we need to find the column number in the range of cells where New Delhi is present. So let us see how this works. Equal to match open parenthesis, lookup value here is New Delhi in cell G7, comma, lookup array is A4 till E4, comma, 0 and close parenthesis. And our result is 2. That means New Delhi is in the second column in the range of cells we provided. So we saw how this function works on column and rows. Now let us look at the other two options in the third argument of match function, which is 1 less than and minus 1 greater than. In our next example, we will find the row where the area is 2000. Our function will go like equal to match open parenthesis. Our lookup value is 2000 which is in cell G10, comma, we will select the range of cells from area column, that is D2 till D11, comma, let us first check with 0, close parenthesis, and we got error because 2000 value is not available in the area column. Now let us change our third argument to minus 1, which means greater than, and let's see what happens. And we got result as 5. And in fifth row, the value is 2150. This is because we had instructed in the third argument of function to find greater value if same is not available. Now let us change our value from 2000 to 2150 and the result still remains same because match function will only find the greater value if it doesn't find the same value. But in this case, the same value was available, so match function gave us the same result. Now let us change our third argument to 1, which means less than, and let's see what happens. And the result still remains same because match function will only find the lesser value if it doesn't find the same value. But in this case, the same value was available, so match function gave us the same result. Now let us change the value back to 2000, which is not available in the list, and we got error. Although we had given the third argument as 1, but function didn't give us the lesser value in the result. This is because our data is sorted descending on area column. So let us sort this as ascending to see if match function can find value for us. And we got result as 5. And the value in fifth row is 1640, which is lesser than 2000. But our result in the above example got disturbed due to sorting the data. Let us change the row selection from the function. And we are done. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.